Hello, good morning, salam. Recently, I was doing a workshop for Jamia Millia Islamia University students and on a request of the university faculty for AMU, Aligarh Muslim University. And I was overwhelmed with the response that I had received. And I wanted to just, talk today about people, those who are now in various stages of life. Very basic question that was asked, and one concern that I think I realized was that many people are going through with lots of difficult times. And one simple basic information that I then thought I must share today is with everyone that what causes these situations in our lives is a very basic, simple uh, thing, which are our thoughts. Basically, thoughts are the main reasons for whatever we go through in our lives. आपको पता है, do you know that an average human being have approximately 50,000 thoughts a day? You and I, we have over 50 to 60,000 thoughts a day. And apparently 95% of those thoughts are same thoughts what we had yesterday and day before. So what we are having, actually we are reliving our past. So far so good, there's no problem as long as we have the same thought, it's fine. People don't change, circumstances don't change every day. But what is very important to know here is that out of these 50 to 60,000 thoughts a day, over 80% thoughts are negative. And our future and our present is built upon how we think, because thinking drives our behaviors drive our actions, and our actions result in whatever outcomes we get from our life. And if we are not happy with our current situation, it means it's a result of our previous decisions. And if today our thinking is based on the negative thoughts, scientifically now when we know that over 80% thoughts are negative, 90% thoughts are same as of previous day, it means how we can even think to have a positive, better future. In order to arrive at something different and a future which is positive and more favorable, and it's more towards our dreams, it's important and the factor that we change our negative thoughts. Now here is a tip: every time you have a thought, make a list what kind of thoughts you are having every day. You have to make a journal, make your catalog of what kind of thoughts you are having in the whole day, and then notice how many positive, how many negative. See your ratio and how negatively it's impacting your life. Then the next day you start doing one thing. The moment you have one negative thought, try and deliberately think 3 positive thoughts. You can even go to the motivational quotes or just self-talk. Replace that negative thought with 3 positive thoughts, and this will come with a habit, because human being can change the habit minimum with 21 days of repetitions, or optimum 3 months practice every day. If you can start now, whatever negative thoughts you are suffering from and which are not helping you can be replaced with the positive ones, optimum over a period of 3 months, minimum 21 days. And when you start doing this, do not drop your exercise after 1 week or 1 day. If you drop it, then you start all over again, because you have to reach a target of 3 months doing this exercise. I hope and I know for sure, if you are committed and if you are driven, you can replace your negative thoughts with the positive ones. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. This is Rupa Sharma and from Dubai Reels. Thanks for watching my video, and if you think they are beneficial, please like and subscribe my channel and let your friend little benefit if they think that they need, and if you think that they need. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day.